Hey guys, Stomp here. Today we're going to investigate a video titled "What Happens If You Push the Button While Driving?" And that title of the video is based on a test that this guy called autovlog. That's the channel name. And you know how some cars have got, well, most modern cars now have got engine start, the keyless start on the dashboard. Well, he tried out some tests to see what would happen, you know, if you were driving and you press that button, what would go down. So today I thought I'm going to put that to the test in my Hyundai iX35 2013 model. We're going to see what's going to happen in this car. Don't know. The guy that actually did this video is driving a Ford, I think, and I'm going to try this in a Hyundai. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so let's check it out. I'm going to be doing, let's try that, like 5Ks. No, nothing happened. Well, let's try it out a bit faster, eh? 50 Ks. Nothing happened, guys. No. Okay, guys, so now we're going to try holding down the button while we're driving. So let's try this out. Holding it down. Holding it down. Nothing, guys. Nothing at all. Okay, guys, well, there you have it. Well, in summary, the conclusion is that I've tried to press the start button while I was driving at 5Ks. Well, didn't work at all. Tried it at 50 Ks. Didn't work at all. Then I tried 50, no, not 50. Then I tried at it was 40 Ks, and I pressed the button down, held the button down, but yeah, it didn't work. So yeah, so I'm not sure if it's Hyundai's feature that regardless of what speed you're going, if you press a button, it won't do anything. That's surprising to me. I would have thought, you know, if you've had a brake problem or like a throttle problem, that you could actually like press the button down and keep it down until it stops the engine, so you know you wouldn't crash into anything. But it seems like that doesn't work. So yeah, so the test on my Hyundai failed. Whether it's a failure or a feature that they didn't include in their car to be able to stop it when you wanted to, I don't know. Maybe I'll have to contact Hyundai myself and see what the issue is there. But seems like with the Ford SUV, like you can pretty much switch it off when you want to. With my Hyundai, the 3-year-old car, so it's virtually still pretty new, doesn't work. So there you go, guys. In conclusion, the test didn't work for me. Yeah, and that's about it for this test. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to drop a like. If you look on the screen above on the left hand side, you'll see the icon, the I button icon, which will lead you to another video, and also my channel overlay at the top there. And till next time, stay safe. See you in another video.